Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a gradient background in Webflow. First, select the specific element on your canvas that you want to apply the gradient to. This could be a section, a div block, or even a button. Next, head over to the Styles panel on the right side of your designer. Scroll down until you find the Background section. Click the small plus icon to add a new background style to your selected element. Once you've added a background, you'll see options for linear gradient and radial gradient. Select the type that best suits your design vision. Both gradient types use color stops, which are points where colors transition. Click anywhere on the gradient bar to add new color stops. Then, use the color picker to choose distinct colors for each stop, creating a smooth blend or a sharp contrast. For linear gradients, you can easily adjust the angle to control the direction of the color flow. You can drag a dial, use 45-degree increment arrows, or input a specific degree value. For radial gradients, you can modify their position and size to control the center and spread of the gradient. Additionally, you can drag the individual color stops along the gradient bar to precisely control how colors blend and distribute across your element. As you make changes, Webflow provides a real-time preview directly on your canvas, allowing you to see the gradient instantly. Take advantage of this to refine your design. Experiment with different color combinations, angles, and stop positions until you achieve the perfect look. Ensure your gradient complements the other elements on your page, contributing to a cohesive and visually appealing website design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.